Hello, my name is Aiboklang Nongrum and I teach in Ramkrishna Mission LP School, Mawbang. And I teach in class from class 1 to class 4 in that school. What I wanted to say is, with this implementing of this NEP, what we have seen is it has revolutionized the learning of the students in a classroom. And what this thing is, what the difference is, in earlier system, it's basically learned based, and the difference is here what we're doing is it's play based method, and the students can relate the subject to games or to their to the day-to-day activity, so to say. And for example, for instance, if suppose if we speak about numbers, and some students may be very slow at thinking, and what in this new system is that children can play with objects like counting, like how many pebbles are there, instead of just limiting to what was written on a blackboard. And in this case, it also emphasize and encourage the students to promote their thinking, their creativity to the approach of one subject. And when after implementing this, what we can see is a difference in learning. In the earlier system, suppose if we teach one subject, for instance, let's say math, again, and then suppose when we give some kind of a test or surprise test, and when it is learning based, suppose which is limited to only pen and paper or to blackboard and chalk, so students like who are not used to thinking or very slow at thinking, so what we can see is it's either they could not complete things on time or they could not do it at all. And but with this new system for NEP, if they can't remember what was written, at least they will be able to remember what they did during the activity in the classroom, or the games they played together with their classmates. That's it.